We're diving into the world of interior design and focusing on tips for creating a low-maintenance and easy-to-clean kitchen. We'll cover everything from countertops to sinks, so let's get started. Let's begin with countertops. When choosing materials for your countertops, opt for non-porous surfaces such as quartz or solid surface materials. These materials are resistant to stains, scratches, and heat, making them easy to clean and maintain. Avoid materials like marble or wood, which require more upkeep. Moving on to splashbacks, consider using glass or stainless steel. Both are durable and effortless to clean with a simple wipe down using a mild detergent. Additionally, they add a modern and sleek look to your kitchen while being practical and low maintenance. For cabinets, choose finishes that are easy to wipe down, such as high gloss or semi-gloss paints. These finishes repel stains and are simple to clean with a damp cloth. Also, consider installing cabinets with smooth surfaces that don't trap dust or grime, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Next up, let's talk about sinks. Stainless steel sinks are a great choice as they are resistant to stains, scratches, and heat. They're also easy to clean with just soap and water. Additionally, consider installing a sink with a deep basin to minimize splashing and make cleaning larger items more manageable. Lastly, when it comes to shelving, opt for open shelves made of materials like stainless steel or tempered glass. These materials are easy to wipe clean and don't require much maintenance. Avoid wooden shelves in areas prone to moisture, as they can warp and require more upkeep. By opting for durable, non-porous surfaces and finishes, you can create a stylish kitchen that's also practical and effortless to maintain. We hope these tips help you in your kitchen design journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.